Okay, so in this video we want to look at converting between radians and degrees. The main idea is that radians will always have a pi in them. So when we convert from degrees to radians, we want to multiply by pi and divide by 180. If we go from radians to degrees, then we want to multiply by 180 and divide by pi. So let's look at this first example where we want to convert 30 degrees to radians. So what we'll do is we'll multiply by pi and divide by 180. So then what we have is 30 pi over 180. We can cancel the zeros. So now we have 3 pi on 18. And now just divide by 3 in the numerator and the denominator. And what we'll end up with is pi on 6. Let's look at 60 degrees. So if we have 60 degrees, we want to multiply by pi and divide by 180. So we'll end up with 60 pi on 180. The zeros will cancel. So we'll have 6 pi on 18. And now just divide by 6. And we end up with pi on 3. If we have pi on 2, then what we want to do is convert that to degrees. So we're going to multiply by 180 and divide by pi. So the pi's will cancel, and I'll end up with 180 divided by 2, and that's just 90 degrees. Okay, let's just look at one more example. So here we have pi on 4. So we want to convert that to degrees. So we'll multiply by 180 and divide by pi. Again, the pi's will cancel, and we end up with 180 divided by 4. If we divide the top and the bottom by 2, we end up with 90 divided by 2, and that's just 45 degrees. So remember, it's very easy to recall this formula because radians always have a pi in them. So if we want to convert degrees to radians, we multiply by pi and divide by 180. To get rid of this pi, what we naturally do is divide by pi and multiply by 180, and that will get us to degrees. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. The tutorial notes and cheat notes are available in the video description as well.